A boat tour of the artistic beauties of Venice is one of the most enchanting ways to explore this unique Italian city where water serves as streets and history glides past with every ripple. Cruising through the winding canals, visitors are greeted by a spectacular open air gallery of art and architecture that reflects centuries of cultural grandeur. The magnificent Grand Canal is often the highlight, lined with opulent palaces such as the Cadoro and Palazzo Grassi, whose facades showcase Venetian, Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque artistry. As the boat drifts along, the graceful arches of the Rialto Bridge come into view, a masterpiece of stonework that has been the city's trading heart for centuries. Passing under its arch, one can sense the blending of commerce and creativity that shaped Venice's artistic legacy. The tour often extends towards the Basilica di Santa Maria della Salute, a domed Baroque jewel rising elegantly at the canal's edge, built in thanksgiving after a plague. Some tours include visits to the islands of Murano and Burano, celebrated for their glass making and lace work, both art forms deeply tied to Venice's identity. Beyond monumental buildings, the boat ride reveals charming side canals where ornate balconies overflow with flowers and ancient frescoes peek through time worn walls. Art is also alive in everyday life here. Gondolas painted in rich black glide beside boats carrying artists, musicians, and craftspeople. At sunset, the golden light reflecting off the water adds a magical aura, making Venice itself appear like a living painting. Some tours include visits to the islands of Murano and Burano, celebrated for their glassmaking and lace work, both art forms deeply tied to Venice's identity. Whether admiring mosaics at St. Mark's Basilica from the water or simply floating past centuries old facades, the journey offers a profound encounter with beauty and history. A boat tour of Venice is not just travel, it is immersion in a city where every canal and every building tells an artistic story, leaving visitors with a sense of awe and timeless wonder. We reach Cornaldo Aprodo by boat. It's very close to St. Mark's Square. We then proceeded to St. Mark's Square and St. Mark's Basilica. We enjoyed boat tour and gondola ride in Venice. I hope you enjoyed it too. Thank you for watching and wish you good day.